Hi guys, I am Gaurav and you are watching Tuneless Indian. And sorry guys, I was having my exams, so I hadn't got the opportunity to create any content for these 2 weeks. And now my pre-boards are over and I am back. And guys, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And I upload informative videos and sometimes gameplay videos too, which you may find interesting. And guys, let me inform you that giveaway is going on in our channel, and do check the video out regarding it in the description area below. So today's topic is about Nightbot and some informations regarding it and why you should also get it for your live streams. First question, what is Nightbot? Nightbot is a third-party chatbot service which executes command that you will tell him to do. You might have seen this bot in live streams of other YouTubers or perhaps mine too, executing some or the other commands. Now, what are the advantages of using this service? There are many advantages to use it, some of which are it blocks spammers in your live streams. Now, if you are a frequent live streamer and if you have a huge audience to watch your content, then it is very helpful as it can automatically block a user if Nightbot finds it suspicious. Now, for this you need to set up permissions to do this act, which I'll show you in the latter part of the video, and you can execute your own commands in the live stream too. For example, you can run a poll using it, say hello or bye to your audience as well, and all in all it can manage your audience with ease, which is alone a convenient feature and the reason why you should also get it. Now, registration process is pretty easy, as you can see. Now, registration process is pretty simple and straightforward. Just type this URL and then sign up. As I am using YouTube, so I will just log in with YouTube account. Allow it, and here just click on the option join channel and copy this URL. Now head on to the creator studio and on the community settings you will find this option moderators, and here just paste the URL. Now by doing it you are giving Nightbot the permissions to block a spammer. Yeah, this is how it works, so no problem regarding it. Now if you want to customize your commands, then head on to commands, then custom, then add commands, and you can add any commands you can want, and it's according to your wish. So yeah, this is how you register for Nightbot service. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, and do the opposite if you didn't, and leave your queries down in the comment section below. I'll try to help you with my answers. With that said, thanks for watching. Till the next time, bye bye.